You want to see hours of totally powerful, totally huge, and totally cool trucks? Here's how you can. We've got garbage monsters. See what happens after a garbage truck leaves your street. Fire monsters, where you can see how to handle a hose, open a hydrant, and more. And dirt monsters, where you can see all the cool things that happen at a construction site. Also, Totally Trucks teaches shapes, numbers, and letters. So crush, dig, and dump with Totally Trucks all together on 3 DVDs.
Totally Trucks, a DVD series for boys from 1 to 61. See you in action.